Hey there, lazy geniuses! Welcome back to the Big Sweep, the place where we make life easier for you. Today, we've got a game-changing shower cleaning routine that's perfect for all you folks who'd rather be doing anything else but scrubbing. That's right, we're talking about the genius shower cleaning routine for lazy people. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. Alright, let's get started. First things first, let's gather our cleaning supplies. You'll need a spray bottle filled with our magical cleaning solution, a sponge or scrubber, a squeegee, and even a detachable shower head if you want to go all out. And don't worry, we're keeping it simple, no fancy gadgets required. Now, for our secret weapon, our homemade cleaning solution. It's easy to make and super effective. See the link in the description box for the short video on how to make it yourself, with ingredients you already have at home. Time to tackle those grimy shower walls. Just spray our homemade solution generously all over. Make sure to get those trouble spots where soap scum and grime love to hide. Now, let it sit for a few minutes while you enjoy a cup of coffee or catch up on your favorite show. Then, take your sponge or scrubber, and with minimal effort, start scrubbing away the dirt. You'll be amazed at how easily that grime comes off with our magical solution. No need to break a sweat. Once you're satisfied, grab your shower head or a bucket of water and rinse off the cleaning solution. You can also use a detachable shower head for maximum laziness. Just aim, spray, and watch the dirt disappear. Now, here's the real genius part of our routine, the squeegee. Before you hop out of the shower, give the walls a quick once-over with the squeegee. This will prevent water spots and make your next cleaning session even easier. It's like a windshield wiper for your shower. Just a few swipes, and you're done. It's so satisfying to see those streak-free, sparkling walls. But wait, we're not done yet. Let's tackle that shower caddy too. It's a magnet for gunk and grime, but we've got a lazy-friendly solution for that too. Spray your cleaning solution generously on the caddy, and don't forget the hooks and corners. Grab a paper towel or a cloth, and give it a quick wipe down. Your caddy will be sparkling clean in no time. And remember, an organized caddy makes your shower look even cleaner. Now, here's a bonus tip to keep your shower cleaner for even longer. After your shower walls are dry from cleaning, apply a thin layer of car polish to the tiles. Yes, you heard me right, car polish. This will create a protective barrier that repels water and soap scum, making your next cleaning session a breeze. Just buff it in with a soft cloth and watch the magic happen. Now, let's not forget about the shower curtain. If you've got a fabric curtain, toss it in the washing machine with a cup of vinegar for a deep clean. For a plastic curtain, just wipe it down with our trusty cleaning solution. Easy peasy. And this has been our genius shower cleaning routine for lazy people, with a bonus tip to keep your shower cleaner for longer. It's quick, it's easy, and it'll keep your shower looking spotless with minimal effort. Say adios to scrubbing for hours and hello to more free time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow lazy geniuses. And don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing hacks. Click here to see the next video full of more household tips and tricks. Until next time, stay lazy and stay clean. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.